Hi everyone, this is Olga Mack working from home, building the future of contracts. A few years ago when I was general counsel, we talked about working from home. And the question has been if and who. If we allow people to work from home, and who would be allowed to be able to work from home. Now that we are part of the social experiment due to the epidemic, all of us are working from home. And the question went from if and who to how. And working from home has become an essential business continuity process. We need to make sure that all of us are ready, that all of the employees are ready. How do we get there? We get there through policies, and two, through trainings. Policies help employees to understand how to show up to meetings. What is the dress code, what equipment they can use, what data practices they should use, and numerous others. Trainings allow employees to go from a physical environment to a virtual environment safely. Just because we all have homes and many of us have offices in our homes doesn't mean we all know how to work from home. I would love to hear from all of you how you help yourself and people around you and your employees to work from home safely. Please leave your comments below. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.